Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing my refrigerator, and I'm going to be restocking it and cleaning it out. And thank you for all my viewers, my subscribers, and the ones that are just now joining in on my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming in and watching my video today, and I hope this inspires you and get some inspiration so you can do the same. So grab your tea, your coffee, and your water, and let's get right into this video. So first thing I'm doing is taking all the food out of my freezer. I'm gonna try to move a little bit fast so that way my ice won't melt. So I'm now taking all of the, I guess you want to call those drawers, out of the freezer. This was a little bit heavy, but as you can see, it was so dirty. And I'm taking the, I want to say, containers out of the freezer door. This was so dirty. I did not know this was this dirty, but it was horrible. So I'm just taking my Clorox, my all-purpose cleaning spray, and I will be cleaning out my freezer and the fridge part too as well. So I'll be using soap and water, Windex, and Clorox Lysol spray. So now I'm just going to be washing this glass drawer or container, or this drawer from the freezer, off with some soap and water, the front and the back, because it was so dirty, so sticky from all the old foods, and the foods that was on it. So now I'm just taking a paper towel and cleaning off my glass. I also cleaned off, use a paper towel to clean off the containers too as well, so they can be, dried faster. And then I'm going to take my Windex spray and just spray over it. Make sure it's, clean real good. Get that shine. And now I'm placing my freezer drawers back and the containers back into the freezer. As you can see here, my ice has melted a little bit, so I had to go ahead on and put the ice back in the freezer and all the other foods that was back in the freezer. Aaron, what are you doing? What you doing? Aaron. Are you like you're vacuuming? Huh? What you doing, Juggles? What you doing? What you doing? What you up to? So I'm now moving down to my fridge part, and I'm taking everything out, my condiments out. I started with that side of the bottom fridge first. So I'm now taking out the fridge drawers, and this was so nasty, y'all. This was so dirty. This was so dirty. I did not know this was that dirty like this. So it's well overdue for a clean. So I'm now taking the drawers out of the fridge where it has my fruits and vegetables in. So I'm taking that out, and I took everything else out of the middle part of the fridge. I washed the I want to call these containers again first before I went to the middle part of my fridge, because my sink was a little small, so I couldn't put everything into the sink. So I cleaned those real good and dried them real good, and then I placed them back in the fridge. Now I'm moving on to my middle part of the fridge, and I'm going to be taking these drawers, or I'm gonna call them drawers, out of the fridge. These were especially the third one. The third one was heavy, so I had to use 2 hands to get this one out. Now the bottom part of the fridge is now clean, and my drawers and containers are back in the fridge, and I cleaned it out and dried it out real good. I went ahead and cleaned the drawers, and I went ahead and put the food back in the fridge. And so guys, these are the end result of my fridge. It took me a little while. I think it took me about 2 hours, but it's clean, it's organized, and it's done. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.